Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Learning Nation. In our last video, we discussed the overview of first C program. In this video, we will discuss the fundamental elements of C program. These are variables, constant, data types, and keywords. Let's start with constants. A constant is an entity that doesn't change, or we can say constant refers to fixed values in our program. These fixed values are also called literals. Here we can see few fixed values, and these fixed value in C program called constants. And these fixed values in our program may be found in different forms, in the form of integer, in the form of real, in the form of characters. Constants are divided into three types: numerical constant, character constant, and Boolean constant. Numerical constants are further divided into integer, real, and character constants are divided into single character constant and string character constant. Integer constants are having their value in integers, for example 10, 0, -20, etc. And real constants are having their value in decimals, for example 786.0, 0.0, -12.07. And single character constant are having their value in single letter as shown in example A, Z and $sign. And these single character constant are enclosed in this single quote. And string character constant are enclosed in between the double quotes. And string character constant can contain more than one letter. And now move on to variables. Variable is an entity that does change, or we can say it is not having an fixed value. In programming, we do some calculations, and result of these calculations are stored in computer memory. And computer memory is made up of billion of memory cells, and every memory cell in computer memory having its own memory address. We store the value of constant in these memory cells, and every memory cell is having its own memory address. A name provided to the memory address is called an variable. For example, as we can see, in first memory cell we store a constant value 10, and the memory address of this memory cell is 684521, and we provided a name to this memory address x, and here x is called an variable. And next one is type of variable. The memory cell can contain integer, float point and character constant. The type of a variable is nothing but the type of constant that the variable can store, or we can say the type of constant stored in the variable is called the type of the variable. For example, we had defined two different variables here. The first variable contains an value of integer, that's why it is an integer variable. And the second variable contains the value of an character, that is an character variable. And next one is data type. Data type represents the type of data which is contained in an variable. In C programming language, there are different data type available. First one is fundamental, pointer, user defined, derived, void. And for now, we will study only fundamental data type. We will discuss other data types in our upcoming tutorial. Primary or fundamental data type is divided into different types: character, integer, float, void. And character data type is also divided in three types: char, signed char and unsigned char. And integer also divided into three parts: int, short int and long int. They can further be divided on the basis of signed and unsigned. And next is float. Float is also divided into three parts: float, double, long double. And last one is void. void is a null. Every data type is having its own size depending upon its characteristics and range it can hold. Here, range represents the amount of value it can hold. Here, the size and range of all the data types are shown. And now, few points about data type. Data type is a data storage format that can contain a specific type or range of values. When computer programs store data in variable, each variable must be assigned a specific data type. Data types represent the type of information that can be stored in a variable. And now move on to the keywords in C language. A keyword is a reserved word. You can't use it as a variable name or as a constant name. There are 32 keywords which are defined in C language. We can't use these 32 words as a variable name or as a constant name. These are already defined in C language by the C compiler. And these 32 keywords in C language are shown here. These can't be used as a variable name or as a constant. In this video, we discussed constant, variable, data type, keywords. In our upcoming video, we will implement these fundamental elements in our C program. Hope you like the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Learning Nation. And goodbye for now.